In the year 2030, factories no longer look like noisy places full of smoke, rushing workers, and heavy manual labor, but instead they look calm, clean, and intelligent, almost like living systems that know exactly what to do at every moment. When the day begins, the factory does not wait for humans to arrive, because it wakes itself up automatically as lights turn on, machines power up, and computer systems begin running silent checks in the background. At the center of the factory is a powerful artificial intelligence system that works like a brain, watching every machine, every robot, and every process at the same time, making decisions faster than any human ever could. Before production starts, machines scan their own health using sensors, checking temperature, vibration, alignment, and energy use to make sure nothing is wrong. Because in 2030, factories are designed to prevent problems before they happen. Raw materials arrive at the factory in self-driving trucks that park themselves perfectly, and robotic systems unload metal, plastic, and electronic parts with care, placing everything exactly where it belongs. Conveyor belts then move these materials smoothly across the factory floor, creating a constant flow without delays, confusion, or wasted time. Inside the factory, robots do most of the physical work, including lifting heavy parts, assembling components, welding, cutting, and precision fitting, and they do this without getting tired, distracted, or injured. Some of these robots look like human workers with arms, legs, and flexible joints, allowing them to move in spaces designed for people, while other robots are specialized machines built for speed and accuracy. These robots use cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence to understand their surroundings, which allows them to adjust their movements in real time and avoid mistakes. Machines inside the factory also communicate with each other using data, constantly sharing information about
Look at the
speed,
fluctuation on
quality,
Sector 4.
and progress.
I see it.
So the entire production line works as one connected
Cross-referencing the
system
data
instead
streams
of
now.
separate parts. Every product is built with extreme precision, and smart inspection cameras check quality continuously, scanning for even the smallest defects and removing faulty items instantly without stopping the line. Unlike old factories where quality was checked only at the end, factories in 2030 check quality every second, which means fewer errors, less waste, and better products. Humans are still an important part of the factory, but their role has changed completely, because instead of doing hard and repetitive labor, they work in quiet control rooms, monitoring systems, analyzing data, and making high-level decisions. With just a tablet or control panel, a small team of engineers can adjust production speed, change product designs, or switch the entire factory to make something new. These factories are also designed to protect the environment, using clean energy such as solar panels and energy storage systems, while robots automatically sort and recycle waste materials, so almost nothing is thrown away. One of the most powerful features of factories in 2030 is flexibility, because the same machines can produce different products on the same day, allowing companies to respond quickly to customer needs and create customized items without slowing down production. The factory never truly sleeps, because when night comes, robots continue working in what is called lights-out manufacturing, where human lighting is not even needed. Machines continue operating smoothly through the night, guided by artificial intelligence that tracks performance, predicts maintenance needs, and schedules repairs before breakdowns can happen. Even maintenance work is handled by robots, as specialized machines repair or replace parts with precision, ensuring the factory keeps running without long shutdowns. Once products are completed, automated systems handle packaging, labeling, and tracking, adding digital codes that allow every item to be traced from the factory floor to the customer's home. Products are then stored in automated warehouses where robotic systems organize shelves efficiently and prepare orders for shipping. Smart logistics systems plan delivery routes, load products onto autonomous vehicles, and ship them across the world faster and more safely than ever before. These factories do not take jobs away from people, but instead change the kind of jobs humans do, creating new roles in engineering, design, programming, maintenance planning, and system
So the
control.
torque limit was the issue.
As children grow up in this world,
Now that it's
they will see
calibrated, we can run the
factories not as
sequence again
dangerous
at full
places,
speed.
but as clean, intelligent environments where humans and machines work together. Factories in 2030 are not just about making products faster or cheaper, but about creating safer workplaces, protecting the planet, and building a smarter future, proving that technology,
Great job, programmer.
when used
Sequence
correctly,
complete.
can improve life for
Look, it's
everyone.
dancing.
You are learning so fast, son.